Alright, hello guys, Trenchforge Armory, and today, forging another Flint striker. This is a different model, and I'm going to be branding it, so that should be interesting. So in case you were not aware, this is what my brand looks like. It's just a T, and then an F, and then an A. So we're going to be putting this on a flint and steel. This is going to look, it's going to be this square, and then it's going to have this kind of, crazy little thing in it. And that's what it is, and the brand will probably sit right about there. Alright, let's get started. Alright. So, we're going to begin by just actually upsetting this. And then just flattening it out. Bar. Just a bar. Alright, so we're just going to keep recording this out. Don't want to work it too cold, that's about as cold as I want to work it. So I'm just going to put a shelf on it. Yeah. Work this out just a little bit now. Alright, so as you can see, this is pretty, it's good to mention here, but this there needs to be a little bit fixed, so we're going to work this edge, and this edge will be on the anvil, or whatever I choose to do. And then this isn't super flat, kind of does this weird curve, so I'm going to fix that, and then we are going to put a shoulder, yeah, about there. So I'm just going to put a mark there. And I'm going to put a mark there on my anvil so that I know that's where I need to go. So just working this edge. That looks flat enough to me. Alright, and again, we're going to put a shelf right there. So I've got a mark on the bar right here, and we'll put a shelf on that. This is the hammer that I have. This is a flat die, and then a rounded die on the other side. So, should work a little bit better. Okay, there's my line. Whoa, toasty. Line it up, this is the side, and find the notch and just whip the piece half on, half off, take it out. I'm really only trying to thin it out on one side. North our edge. Now it's all gnarly. Like that. This has to be drawn out kind of a long way. But yeah, we basically forged the main body of the flint and steel. it's kind of turning into a rhombus, so I'm just fixing that profile. I just can't seem to. Still working on the shoulder. Just keep drawing it out. This thing's cold. So I'm going to fix it next heat. I'm going to get more air out of this thing. It's probably started to happen. Clinker has started to form. So, just straightening it in the vise, missing meat on it. I'm going to bend it just a little bit. So now it's a lot better. It's too cold to work. I'm about half an inch away from my thing. And something's burning in the forge. I'm really only got the forge for this recipe, so I'm not sure what's burning. It would be clinker. Alright. So, I haven't really got a question recently about starting my forge, but I have seen a couple videos on people starting coke forges or full forges, and they tend to be, well, the way I do it is I use charcoal. So I light my forge with charcoal. My forge with charcoal. And that works really well. The end of this part is so steep. That, and I will ooh, we're very close. I'm just going to work on thinning it to about equal. Alright, yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, and I switched the flat iron hammer a while ago. Got to notify that. Okay, so we're done with the bulk of the forging. Now we're going to. That looks very nice. Now we're going to put the twist on. We could either cut it off or put the twist on. I'm going to put the twist on, because that seems to be. So I'm going to heat at the very end, and hopefully be able to do this entirely on the anvil. Alright, so, let's see, first off we're just going to put this little snaky end on it. I'm going to forge that around, flatten it all out. And then I'm going to take another heat and I'm going to bend it like right there and then just move it around and see how it looks. We're going to put this in the drill hole, unorthodox, and just kind of bend it around. And then use the hammer. Not exactly how I planned it. That should work. Yeah, I'm gonna forge out this a little bit more. And then it should be a little better. So I'm gonna upset it vertically. That's what's going to happen. So I'm just going to this and just that. Do a little bit of that. And I'm also going to, I like the curve that was produced here. I'm okay with that. Put the brand in, and I'm also going to try, now this is good. Actually, yeah, it's fine. So I'm going to heat it up again, get my tiny chisel, and a fencing blade. Name, but he's awesome. Great guy. Autobird for the city. And I'm just gonna put a. I'm working on it. It's getting there. Lost heat. Could do this cold, but then that would be the extent of my brand if I was professional. Just a T and an F, no A. That is so much harder than it looks. But it's incredible. That is awesome. I am super happy with how that brand came out. This is going to be kind of difficult. I can't really do anything else besides this. Man, that trench foot armory is awesome. I'm going to cut it. Until right there. And I'm going to work two edges simultaneously. No, I'm not. Well, I guess I have to. You know what? Screw this, I'm just going to grind it off. Why am I wasting my time? Done. not sure really what you're supposed to do after this with the quench. So I'm going to pull it out, wash it in water. And that's how I'm holding it. Ah! Oh! That hurt. Half. Chewing whatever that is. At its deepest, and there's the flint that I'm striking it on. So, hope you enjoyed. It's hardened, so don't drop it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that, and I hope this series video that I have works out. I'm also, yeah. Alright, bye.